Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, that is Cat Design Master. If you are new here, so just subscribe to this channel to get the more futuristic and valuable tutorial in English of Solidworks 2020 in future. If you like, if you really like, so comment me. If you have any idea or any query about the SolidWorks, any part, sketching, assembly, modification, tools, drafting, etc. etc. Any question, just tell me in comment box. Okay, so in this tutorial we are going to make this beautiful part as a part file, part body part in SolidWorks 2020. So let's start to make in first of all, open the SolidWorks 2020. Okay, now you can see the user interface of the SolidWorks. I'm using the SolidWorks Premium 2020 SP0.0. Okay, now in home tab you will find the multiple option or multiple tools to select to make the new part. That is in for part making, for assembly making, for drawing of the part assembly and parts, for select open the and okay. Now we have made the multiple tutorials on SolidWorks in English, Hindi, and if you want to tutorial in Hindi, you can ask me in description, sorry, in comment box. Now here you can see I have made multiple tutorials, that we made advanced feature tutorial of SolidWorks, so you can watch this video also. So let's make new part. Click on part and we automatically create a new workspace from at where we can make our part file. Okay, first of all, go to this sketch file or part file. First of all, select the select front plane or right plane, any you want. Okay, click on sketch part. Now I'm starting drawing from here, this circle of radius of 55. Okay, okay, click on center circle, select the center. Sorry, wait a minute. Okay, select the center circle, select this origin and make the dimension of 55 mm, diameter of 55. Okay, you can cross verify. Now make these two circle sketch in SolidWorks sketch file. Okay, now I'm zooming, make the new make a circle here like this I'm making here. Okay, it is depend on yourself how you make the sketch in SolidWorks or any CAD software. Okay, no problem. I'm making the line like this, is this line. Okay, who has the vertical distance of 100 mm. Okay, select the line, take any point on circle and select this point, this circle. Okay, now it is getting it has given the tangent property or tangent relation in this line. Okay, now select this circle and this line by pressing Ctrl key and click on tangent property. Okay, now the relation between the circle and the line is the tangential. Okay, now this circle I'm making two, select the parametric circle, select this edge, that is para of, and select second edge, and you can choose how much radius as you see in, or you can okay, click on trim radius. I'm trimming this edge or this line. Okay, now we have to make this parabolic way. Okay, of a circle of radius of 98 mm. Okay, same as before, select this and this. Okay, now no, it's not well. What I'm going to be used, I'm selecting the arc. Okay, I'm selecting the arc. Okay, it should not be take any relation, that is it's getting the relation. Okay, select this and this as you want. Sorry, it is going to be center point arc, but I want to get the 3-point arc. Select this point, this, anywhere, and take the dimension as you want. Okay, I'm giving the relation. Select the arc and circle, give the property of or relation tangential. Click on OK. Same as here, select both and give the relation tangential. Okay, now you can see our part is sketch is approximately made. The two circles of the same dia and of at collinear. Okay, so for making the collinear to both circle, select by controlling control key, select two centers and make the both horizontal. Okay, no problem. Now you can select both and view also more relation, that is equal relation, it will automatically take the same dimension on both if we give the 1 to 1. Okay, so distance between the two is 65 mm. Simply give dimension, smart dimension, select the both center and give the distance of 65. Okay, now we have seen that the distance between center and this center is about 100. Okay, so select the center of both and give the dimension of 100 mm. No problem. Now radius of this arc is 98. Give the radius of 98 as I'm giving here. Wait a second, it is taking a long way. I'm simply Control Z, clicking Control Z key. Okay, no problem. Give the radius of let me check it out. How much radius is here? That is radius of 20. 20. Both radius has 40. Sorry, dia of 40 means both are the same. Diameter of 40 mm. Vertical distance is 65. Okay, no problem. Now the distance is 65 and this center to this center distance is 45. Okay, this and this of 45. Click on enter. Okay, now the drawing is fully defined, but one error is here. Delete this radius. Delete this radius by selecting it. Okay, now it should be like this and radius of 98. Okay, radius of 98. Now the sketch is fully defined, as you see here. You can see here. Okay, now I'm going to be just extrude boss to up to what, up to this, that is complete is 30 minus 10, that is 20. Extrude up to 20. Go to feature, extrude part and extrude up to 20. Okay, so I'm selecting 20 and select state contour is all. Okay, okay, no problem. Go to the sketch and click on show button. It will help me to another extrude, that is 3 circles of extrusion of how much, extrusion of up to 30. Okay, go to the scale extrude boss and selecting this. Okay, selected contours 2 and 3 up to 30 mm. Okay, it is very futuristic tools in SolidWorks. You can handle anything anytime. Okay, you can modify it. Wait a second, I think so we have not given the dimension of 55. Yes, yes, we had done. Now it's time to make the hole of radius of 30 in both and here of 20 diameter. Okay, go to the file and select this face, click on sketch, control normal view and select the center circle, or basically standard circle which we use. Okay, the diameter of this is about 20. Okay, and the upper one is 30 of both, 31 and 30 of this second one. Okay, just to just go to feature, click on extrude cut and it will automatically get selected the all the complete faces, complete sketch. Okay, or you can click on OK. Now you will see our part is looking like this. I think this sketch is going to making the problem, so go to the sketch and click on hide button. Okay, now uh, the 4 circles are remaining. So how to make this circle, and go to select this face, click on sketch, normal view. Now select the center circle and it will take the relation horizontally or collinear, you can say. So just give dimension as is mentioned of diameter of 12. Okay, I'm going to diameter of 12 or at the radius PCD. Okay, at PCD at diameter of 38. Okay, means the distance between this is 38. Diameter means 38 divided by 2 radius, that is 19 of radius. Okay, one more thing, our sketch is not fully defined, it is underdefined. So select this center and this center in relation to horizon. Now you can see the sketch is fully defined. Go to the future feature, select extrude cut tool command, or you can also select the throw out or click on OK. Now we have 4 holes at here, that is PCT at your 4 holes. So just go to the pattern command, pattern tool, and select the circular pattern. Okay, now it want to get the axis, so just select this. It will take automatically axis and feature and faces. I want to add the feature. Okay, so select this and click extract it, and select you cut extrude, and how much you want, that is of 4 at equal spacing. Okay, that is a two option, that is instant spacing, and second one is equal spacing. I'm selecting the equal spacing. Okay, it will divide the how much part in 360 degree. Okay, uh, but just basically click on okay. Now the part is completely made it in SolidWorks. Okay, I think all is correct. So it's very easy. If you want to more videos or more tutorials on SolidWorks in English, in Hindi, or just let me know in comment section. I will definitely make more videos on the topics. Thank you for watching this video. Before going, just comment, like, and subscribe this channel to get more futuristic and visual video tutorials or knowledge of SolidWorks regarding the mechanical background or industrial background. So thank you again.